but concentrated, but concentrate, but concentrate, but but concentrated instead on tasting and testing each corner of her mouth. He cradled her face in his hand, tilting her head upward, and she longed to lean her body against his. Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday here in Makati. In today's vlog, it's just gonna be something chilled, and I have a lot of chores that I want to accomplish. So the content for this video includes me removing my hair, doing some laundry, cleaning, and I'll be cooking some Nigerian food. I actually do this when I miss home, whenever I feel like I'm missing Nigeria so much, so I always have to cook something that reminds me of home. So I'll be doing all of that, but right now I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face, and start my day. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, that was just me taking out the trash. One of the chores that I want to do this morning is to actually do my laundry, and I mostly hand wash my clothing. So right now I'm gonna look for those clothes that I want to wash today and then soak them up, and in 2 to 3 hours I'll be washing them. And why I do the soaking is because it's easier on the hand when you're actually washing the clothing, because like you have like all of the dirt already out of it. Okay, gathered everything. It took a while to get this angle, so gotta use it. Boom, 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 boom. Before removing my hair, I'm gonna clean up my face first. So right now I'm going to start removing my hair. Just cut myself. I actually made this hair myself because I couldn't get access to a hairstylist. But I cut my hair. So I just finished removing my hair, and luckily for me, a delivery guy that is bringing my relaxer just arrived, so I'm just gonna go get it downstairs right now. right here. You're the one sending the message, Adi. Okay. Just got back, and this is what I got. It's a hair relaxer, and step 2. Going to put my hair into 4 sections. I hurt so much. Just painful. I'll start from so right now I'm just sectioning the hair. Oh jeez, it hurts so much. Then I comb it out, and then I apply some relaxer like that. So there is no tangles, and to make sure all of the hair is well relaxed. So I just finished applying the relaxer, and I'm going to go and wash my hair now. Conditioner. This is to soften the hair. I'm in the bathroom right now, ready to do the laundry. Food is ready. So this is rice and beans with sauce. Like it's so hot. I need to drop it down. So, like I said, whenever I miss home, I make Nigerian food. This is like one of the staple that is quite popular where I come from. Hey, I'm back again. So I am well rested. I've taken a shower. Now I'm just gonna style my hair, apply some makeup, and then go for a stroll. But the way I'm seeing it, I'm seeing like gray skies are already appearing. So I hope I can still go out for the walk that I want to do. And where I'm going to is a nearby park, which is like 20 minutes walk from my apartment here. So now just gonna style this hair. I didn't apply anything when I washed and conditioned the hair, but now I'm just gonna apply this coconut oil just to It started raining already, so it looks like I'm not leaving the apartment today again. Yeah, the rain is here fully now. Damn. Makeup is done. Yeah, the sky is beautiful. Thank you guys for watching today's Sunday vlog, and see you in my next one. Bye.